Alright guys, we are back with Resident Evil 4. I just shot that guy laying on the ground there. And now everybody else wants to kill me because I broke their crap. So we're gonna grab this ammo and we're gonna go action hero and jump out this way.
¡Detrás de ti, imbécil!
Dead yet? Okay, I think it's dead now. Take that, and turn around and be on our way. Some handgun ammo. Nothing there. And 1,000 monies. Ooh, and a typewriter. So we'll just save over my little test file that I was doing earlier. No, we're not playing on easy this time. We're playing on normal. So prepare to watch me die a lot. This isn't blind because I'm ahead of this on my GameCube, which is where I generally tend to play. Just got sidetracked there for a minute. But I tend to play on the GameCube, so I'm a bit ahead of this. I just figured, hey, this is such a great game. Maybe there's a PC version. So I ended up finding the PC version, and I decided I'd record it and put it on the channel. So, I apologize if it's boring, because I don't do this.
¡Un forastero!
Although, a lot of the control systems on the PC absolutely bewilder me sometimes. I think it's because this is like a redo of the PS2 version.
¡Os voy a romper a pedazos!
And a lot of you who really know what's going on with Resident Evil 4, I apologize because my lack of knowledge of a lot of things in this game will probably make you cringe in your seat and hate me. So if you're the kind of person who knows everything about the game, I suggest, and it bothers you to watch other people fail, I suggest you turn it off because this series is going to be filled with nothing but fail and hello. Guess there's no sex discrimination here. Better find her fast. Okay. That's a little bit disturbing. We'll keep walking. Now here's my least favorite part of this game, and it's your first time going to the village. Of course, there's always the never ceases to scare the crap out of me. I know he's in. He's always in. Oh, they were kind enough to give us some more handgun. But you can never shoot, I can never shoot him before he gets me. So we're gonna head into the village and see how the locals are doing. Ooh, it's Hunnigan.
Leon, how you holding up?
Bad question, Hunnigan.
Sorry to hear that. I'm sending you a playing manual. Hope you find it useful.
I'll take a look at it, thanks.
Broke the fourth wall, broke the fourth wall, broke the fourth wall. Playing manual 2. Control configuration changes are not reflected here. Please pay careful attention to button functions. Reloading. Press the 1 button while holding down the 6 button to reload your firearm, or in my case, holding down right click and hitting left shift, but I've modified my controls even further. Kicks. Approaching enemies that are either stunned or on their knees will allow Leon to perform kicks as prompted by the action button. I think that's spacebar for me. Changing inventory screens. Use the 5 and 6 buttons to switch back and forth between weapons, recovery and the keys / treasure screens. I'm terrible at reading. Which for me, I think L is X and R is right click or right shift. Either one. hop out of here and keep going. Ooh, look. Hide behind this tree. And I'm gonna pull out my binoculars. So let's see who goes here. Chick with a bucket. Dude with a pitchfork. Dude with a wheelbarrow. Dude with a bucket. Alright, so I'm gonna run in and left straight to that building. I know it's probably wrong, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Actually, I wonder if I shoot one of these guys first.
¡Agárrenlo!
Would that draw them all towards me first?
cerdo!
Giving me the perfect opportunity to...
¡Por allí! ¡No dejes que se escape! ¡Agárrenlo! Vayan por detrás. Why are these people? ¡Bloqueale el paso! What are they planning? Chainsaw. Shit. Te voy a matar. Son of a...
What they...
En la trampa, pero no puedes resistir.
Inventory. How do I check it? Stay out. I don't know the inventory button. Okay, I found it. We're cool. Nope, not cool. So I apologize for not knowing any of these buttons in advance. I aim to warn you now, this is gonna be absolutely awful. My skills with a shotgun suck.
Te voy a hacer picadillo. ¡Agárrenlo! ¡Cógedlo! Te voy a hacer picadillo. ¡Sos cerdo! ¡Agárrenlo!
I know what you do. And you're not a very nice person. No. Oh, crap. Prepare for the first death of the series.
Te voy a hacer picadillo.
¡Basta, hijo de puta! ¡Detrás de ti, imbécil!
And we're gonna call that an episode and a session. We'll come back to this another day when hopefully I'm not sucking as hard. See you guys next time.